Mwalabye juzi twafulumiza ffe kye twayise alternative budget. Tugamba nti eno ye budget y'Abannayuganda. Etulaga nti kaakati ebyobulamu twongeremu ssente, ebyenjigiriza twongeremu ssente, enguudo tuzikolere ddala, amabanja tulekerawo okwewola ssente ne zisula ku akawunti okumala omwaka gumu, emyaka ebiri nga tezikozesebwa, ate nga tulina okusasulayo interest. Babanga abatategeera kye bakola, weewoze ssente tolindodde kuzikozesa, ate oliye unit yalumyedde atandise okujjako interest. Naye bakikola kigenderere, kubanga abantu bano gavumenti olumala okwewola ssente ezo nga tebannabeera lodde zikozesa, baziteeka ku akawunti tuyita fixed deposit account, azaddeyo ng'ezize n'afuna interest okuva mu banka ssente mpitirivu. Meanwhile kati ezo interest zifuuse zize, naye eri yatuwola ffenna ng'eggwanga fe abalina okulisasula. Ndowooza olaba obubbi obuli awo, so bakikola kigenderere. Ne bagamba nti awo manyi kakati projekiti tennabeera lwedde naki, ate nga ssente baazijjayo dda. Lwaki? Balina gye bazitadde mu banka bafune amagoba bo nga bo basekinnoomu. So twogera ku bintu bino abamu nga balowooza politics, naye ate nga bya ddala. Era mu bajeti yaffe ne tugamba nti buli kitongole ekya gavumenti tusale bajeti era tubirambika bulungi mu kye twayise alternative budget, kubanga ffe tuli gavumenti eyaddala eri ready. Era omukulembeze waffe Kyagulanyi Ssentamu yatugayigize ne tulaga nti kakati State House Mwami Museveni akozesa obuwumbi 2 buli kanaku bwaki, aliyo ye ne mukyala we bokka, abaana bagenda dda, saaki ezo tuzisale. Naye of course batuwuliriza bye tugamba, naye ffe tusigala tulemeddeko. Parliament ne tugamba nti ezo nazo zisalibwe, naye tebatuwuliriza. Era ne bagamba ffe tulina ennamba ezaffe, kati bajeti ya Parliament gye bateguliza ewera akatabalika ebeera trillion namba. Ffe twagamba nti nedda Parliament, ababaka, abakozi, yonna emirimu egirina okukolebwa obuwumbi 522 nga tusaze half, anti ate kakati emirimu ginaatambula. Netugamba kisobokera ddala, naye kati balemeddeko tulina okuyisa akatabalika. Ate ne bagamba nti akatabalika kano ka ofisi ya speaker, ya deputy speaker, ya leader of opposition n'ababaka abayaaya bafere. Kubanga fene budget yaffe bagisala n'abakozi baganye okubongera contracts. Simanyi mubiwulirako ebintu ebyo. Kakati abayaaya bagamba nti zino ssente twongeddemu kubanga abakozi mu ofisi ya leader of opposition nabo balina okufuna omusaala. Bakozi ki be mwagoba? Kati mulaba nga baagala okubba, baagala okulaga nti munange tetuba ffeka, tuli wamu ne bano twababuuka dda. Era ne twagala babuzaabuze Bannayuganda, kubanga buli webamba ssente bafuna kye bakituuma. Kyanti kakati gratuity tumumanyi, ino ebira tebitegeerekeka. So tujja ziremerako zino ensonga, bajja tukuba zipropaganda, bategewo diversion, beebuzaabuze, naye tujja sigala nga tulemeddeko nga tugamba twagala ssente y'omuwoomusolo ekozesebwe bulungi. Twalibadde tetwewola nakwewola, naye twewola nga bwe bazibba, ne twewola nga bwe bazibba. Kakati gwera okusasula abaana bo, abazzukulu bonna balina okwetikka omugugu guno. Kyokola bwe tugamba nti abantu bano tubasiguukulule, bintu biri serious. Eno banyunyuta Bannayuganda taxes, waliwo zi kampuni ezimu kambawulire ebiri ebyo oluusi abamu temufolowinga, twabadde tubiyomberamu. Kati Minister of Finance yatuwadde olukalala. Kakati zino kampuni tusaba tuzisonyiwe omusolo buwumbi na buwumbi. Netubabuuza ku lwaki, anti kampuni zino zirina amabanja, bannyini babamu balwadde esimanya biki. Twagenza okusima okutegeera bandi bannannyini kampuni zino, tusanga nga bebo bennyini abali mu gavumenti. Kati eno Bannayuganda bongeza omusolo, nate waliwo boogamba nti kakati bano tubasonyiwe. Waliwo aba exportinga gold, ng'eggwanga tubabanja obuwumbi 600 billion shillings. Bwe bajja Karamoja ewa, ate muna abakaramoja tebalina kye bafunamu. Kakati Ministry of Finance yaze n'agamba nti kakati bano twagala tubasonyiwe. Ne tugamba nedda kikyotegeeza. Omuntu atunda butto, atunda wali emigaati, atunda obukwankinkwanki, atunda obuntu obutono, ye nga tomusonyiwa musolo. bano abazaabu lwaki mwagala tubasonyiwe? Mumanyi baani abasima zaabu mu ggwanga lino? Kakati mulaba lwaki baagala tubasaasire. So bwe tujja kisimbidde ekikuuli banaffe mu NRM bakyalemedde kubagamba tulina numbers. N'abagamba ekiramu aba NRM ewamwe mu constituency gye muva amalwaliro gali bulungi, enguudo ziri bulungi, n'obatunuulira nga tebategeerekeka. So kati ekikulaga ekigenda mu maaso mu ggwanga lyaffe era nga twagala okwebaza abatuwegattako amaloboozi gavireyo ddala. Kwe tubyogerako batera okugamba abo just bali mu politics ate nga bya ddala. Naali eyo ng'ogamba nti agwe tebikwatako bijja kukwatako nga kituuse bulungi buli ngeri yonna. Kanyombeko mu luzungu. Mr. President, I want to join you, sir, and the rest of the leadership. Welcome everybody that have joined us from wherever. Some have come from NRM, other political parties. We do welcome you. And we want to caution you that where you have come, it is serious stuff. It is serious business. Our hope is that you have not come just so that you can increase your bargaining power. Because in the past, the people that have come to join us, a short while down the road, they begin to speak in tongues. So they came to us, to use the people of Uganda. Our hope is that everybody that has joined us is on the right track. And we are sure you are on the right track. Those that have come from Northern Uganda, from Western Uganda, Eastern Uganda, Central Uganda, we welcome you all. Let's keep moving. Let's push and do all that we have pushed to do to salvage this our country. Mr. President, I was appreciating traders who are now speaking out with action. They have closed their shops downtown Kampala, in Masaka, in Busoga, and several other parts of the country. And they are saying, number one, the heavy taxes. Too much taxes that they don't understand what exactly it does. And also the modus operandi of how the taxes are collected. They're saying this thing is problematic. I just came from Parliament and we're telling government, please put to a halt this whole FRIS thing. And we have a proper engagement with the traders. So it's good that the traders are also on board. Because in the past, whenever we would protest even downtown Kampala, some traders would say, you guys have come to disrupt our businesses and so on. And now they're saying, well, it has come to our doorstep too. And that's what we were saying. Bad governance affects everybody, every single individual. Efuga bibuli omwanja diro zako. So we now go to fight together to see that it comes to an end. So we encourage the traders, keep fighting on, keep speaking out. Because now, when we speak out with the political leaders, they say it's just politics. But now it's good is coming from the ordinary folks who are saying, no, enough is enough. And the other challenge, the other complaint that they do have is they don't see service delivery from the heavy taxes they pay. The roads are in a shambolic state, hospitals are ailing, schools are about to fall on children, roads are impassable. Over the weekend I was in Buvuma district. And my goodness, you would think this is another world altogether. So as if it's not part of our country. And so Ugandans are saying, why are we paying heavy taxes? Where is the value for the heavy taxes we pay? Where is the service delivery? They don't see it. And they're also saying, even the little that we pay is stolen. It's not put to proper use. And that's a very critical issue. They see how much money is stolen on an annual basis in different departments of government. And when we speak out, they think we are politicking. We shall keep speaking out about every sector, including Parliament, where I see it as leader of the opposition. You know, somebody the other day, one of the MPs from the other side was telling me about Ssenyonyi, you are a member of Parliament here. Why do you keep bashing Parliament, which you belong to? I said, hey, before I even point a finger at the executive, I must clean up my house, my territory, my backyard. Yes, it's important. It's important. And we shall not keep quiet. They've intimidated us. They will do all manner of things. I hear they are planning accidents for us. Our God protects us. And we shall not keep quiet. So that's a message to those who are planning all manner of things for us. All your planning is in vain. Sabalowooza nti bajja tupangira obubadi oba zi accidenti oba ziki munaye Katonda yatukuuma Yatukuuma era jatukuuma tujasigala nga twogera tetujasirika. Katonda yalina obuyinza ku bulamu bwaffe. So we shall not keep quiet about these issues. Recently we unveiled our alternative budget as a serious government in waiting. We are with our leader, our president, and with his guidance, we have an alternative budget which we unveiled the other day. And in our alternative budget, we are saying, let's allocate more money to healthcare, to education, to infrastructure, service delivery issues. Let's cut down on certain things. Let's reduce the over-borrowing that we do. Because even when we borrow this money, one, it is stolen. Two, we bring it after borrowing it and it remains unutilized for a year, 2 years. Meanwhile, we are paying interest on that money we have borrowed. But it's deliberate, as I've said. The people who borrow this money, they put it on a fixed deposit account. They are getting some money of their own. Meanwhile, the taxpayer is the one supposed to pay for this. This is wrong. We said let's slash budgets across. Some 7 uses 2 billion shillings every day. We said what for? It does not make sense. Let's cut. We said even Parliament, let's cut by half. And we said for us we think 522 billion is enough to run that legislature. But our colleagues said no, we need about 1 trillion shillings, and that's the proposal that was tabled. We said, you people, let's listen to the ordinary people. But because they have the numbers, they rejected that. And they're trying to lump us all together to say, you see, this 1 trillion is for the speaker, the deputy speaker, leader of opposition's office, and members of parliament, and so on. Please stop hoodwinking the people of Uganda. How do you say, yes, part of this is for staff members in the office of the leader of the opposition, but you refuse to renew the contracts of the staff in our office at the end of January? So they want to pretend like it is part of the entire pool, but of course they are going to snatch it, as you have been seeing. And so we shall not keep quiet about these issues. We'll keep speaking out, and we are rallying the people of Uganda, speak out wherever it is that you are, so that our voice is a resounding one. As soon as some leaders have joined us, I don't know if the Honorable Manje Chivakutika was introduced. Oh, she was. I saw her much later. And all the others, we do appreciate you for coming through. Ladies and gentlemen, please do allow me to allow you to allow me to welcome the one and